Hey guys, Jason Cummins from Buckhead Imports. I want to show y'all a really common problem that we have with the 6-cylinders and the V8s. Now this particular model is a 2012 N54. This car has what they call valve stem seals. All of these cars do, but this is a tiny seal that goes on the valve stem that actually holds the oil from going down into the combustion chamber. When these start to go bad, they get really hard, and as the car idles, it will actually start dribbling oil down into the cylinder, and as you go to take off, it actually puffs a big thing of white smoke out of the back of the car. And so we can actually replace these seals without taking the cylinder head off with the correct tools that they make for these cars. But this particular seal goes right underneath this little valve spring and this valve hat right here, and we can replace those so that this car won't do that anymore and it won't burn oil. And it goes down underneath that little piece right there. If you need anything like this done to you, Buckhead Imports can handle it. Appreciate it. Thanks. Bye.